There is no competition. You can decide your profitability. Strategy, as I have said, is to distribute fibers first and convince people that this is the thing you can make concrete flexible. Like when you are having music, everything will be dancing. Your building will also dance in future once the music is being played. Thank you.
Right, I'm going to go over to Murli first. I think Saurabh has taken the idea quite literally. So it was the actual concrete idea. Does it work?
My question to you is, are we in any way compromising your solution by sacrificing properties of both firmness as well as flexibility?
Tough is also firm. If I am tough, I am flexible too, but then I am not so, as you expect. The toughness is a different thing. It's a macro tough concrete.
My question is, this is an industrial product where you have to convince large companies, large regulatory bodies, which take years of testing. Holcim will take 3 years to test this thing before they approve it. Are you prepared?
I already got tasted some small milligrams and grams of fibers, and I have ready available results with me.
Alok, your question was Saurabh.
I don't think a lot of the contractors that lay our roads want them to last. So you're actually up against people who you're going to say, hey, you know what? You're not going to get a contract next year. They don't want it to last. If you look at the way roads are built in this country, they are built to wear away. So I think you have a fundamental problem in your partners. Your partners do not benefit in your gain.
The point is, then L&T, assuming it buys your idea and wants to do it, will have to change its entire machinery.
No, not at all. Everything is there today. Right now with all big corporate companies, all machines are there. Even in both in bitumen as well as in concrete. Both they have batching plants.
Right, judges, I must ask you to rate Saurabh Patwa on our 4 parameters. It's time for me to introduce our third contender. His name is Mahidhar Reddy, all the way from Hyderabad.
Finalist number 3, Mahidhar Reddy. The 25-year-old, pursuing his MBA from NIT Warangal, has a passion for biking, among other things. His simple idea is Mitra, a multi-purpose agricultural cycle for farmers.
Mahidhar, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now.
My product is called Mitra. It's a smart agriculture vehicle, and its USP is it's first eco-friendly, second multitasking, not only transporting, also doing some of the activities of farmer. This particular market has been not captured by any other company. Initial investment I need 20 lakhs, and to sustain my business to a point where I can be self-sustained. And secondly, I would break even around 1450 products and expect a profit of 75 lakhs by the end of third year. That's what my cycle is, smart agricultural cycle. As you see, the design is very simple. It's just like a bicycle. The idea is to modify the basic cycle's frame, fit it with a DC motor in the rear hub, which will give the top speed of 25 km per hour. A battery on the charge of 6 hours, just like our mobile phones, would give a range of 40 kilometers, and an AC motor behind the carrier to do agricultural activities. For example, number 1 attachment, to make small grooves, say for flower plantation or groundnut plantation, it is connected to the AC motor with the V-belt. The second attachment could be a grass trimmer. This will just work like the first attachment, and the third is water pumping application. The vehicle can be put on a static mode, that is on stand, and just connect it to the external electricity, and there we go. Well, my target customer is the marginal middle class farmer. We have 18 crores of them here in India. Competitive landscape, yes. Taken in consideration my target market, I want to compete with tractors and animal labor. And revenue structures, I intend to sell my product for 26,000 when the manufacturing cost is 22,000. To conclude, I made a small ad to sell my product. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आ गया है आपका अपना मित्र. ये चलती है बिजली पे, यानी 10 पैसे प्रति किलोमीटर. इतना ही नहीं, ये आपके खेती में भी हाथ बटाए, यानी 2 in 1. Then there is a click photograph. You can see in the last picture corner, there is somebody taking family photograph. Now the family has included my bicycle too. That is how I want to position it. Thank you.
Right. Sarabir, are we looking at a future Pavan Munjal and Anand Mahindra?
I hope so. What is your thought behind, you've just kept 4,000